By Friday, your body has absorbed 40 hours of sitting, stress, and repetitive movement. Most people spend the weekend trying to recover, and by Monday, they're right back to where they started. The 8 movements that I'm going to show you in this video will break that cycle. You are going to target every single joint in your body. Do this once a day and you're going to feel the difference immediately. Let's get into it. We're going to start off with the ankles. You're going to drop down into a squat. You're going to place the elbows on the inside of your knees and you're going to lift 1 foot at a time. So you're kind of shifting weight from side to side. And as you're doing that, you're lifting the toes up as high as you can. You're really going to feel this in your shins and it's going to prep your ankles nicely. So you're going to do this 20 times, 10 to each side. And you should feel your shins burning. Once you're done there, you're going to stay in that squat and you're going to prop up onto your toes for another 20. Try to get as high as you can in this position. If you feel like you can't balance, it's okay to hold here on the floor with support. Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to feel the calves burning here. We love it. Literally takes 1 minute and you're done. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ankles are done. We move on to the knees. You're going to stay in that squat position. You're going to rise up, hold all the way up, come back down. Rise up 1/4 of the way, down, all the way up, come back down. This is great both for the ankles and the hips, and you're going to do 10 reps. 3, come down nice and slow with control. 4, should feel this burning all through your legs. 5, 6. If you struggle to get down into a squat, you can elevate your heels a little bit, or you can hold on to something for support. 7, 8, 9, and 10. We move on to the hips. You're going to get into a lunge position like this, and you're going to place hands on either side of your foot. From there, you're going to rotate externally and try to get the knee as close to the ground as you can. Now, you don't have to get all the way to the floor. You just have to have the intention of putting weight onto that front leg and trying to get as low to the ground as you can. So we're going to go for 10 reps and we're going to hold the last for 10 seconds. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should feel that all the way on the outside of your hip, and we're going to change sides. So remember, all of the movements that I show you, it doesn't matter if you can't do the full range of motion. You work within your current range and you try to move intentionally. So whatever that looks like for you, that's your level. So stick with that until range of motion improves. Let's go, other leg. Lunge and rotate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we move on to the lower back. So a lot of lower backs get stiff from a lot of sitting. So we're gonna undo that. You're gonna lay on your back You're gonna take one leg, cross it over, and you're gonna push that knee forward. Again, you're gonna feel a nice good stretch on the side hip there, your glute. From there, you're gonna lift up. And as you're lifting the left leg up, you're gonna press the right knee towards the floor. And we're gonna do this for 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep pressing the right knee towards the floor. Don't lose that connection. 7, 8, 9. And you're gonna hold the last position for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch legs. Press the knee forward, drive, knee goes down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi, Kobe. Cameo appearance again. 6, good boy. 7, he loves to distract me. 8, 9, and one more. Drive and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. We've done 4. Now we're going to move on to the core, because let's face it, we don't often pay attention to our core, especially if we're sitting a lot. So I'm going to show you a great exercise that's going to not only strengthen your core, but also your lower back, and it's going to teach you control of the deeper muscles. So back onto our back, legs up, hands up. Now you're going to lower opposite arm, opposite leg towards the floor, and you're going to try to maintain your whole spine glued to the ground. So don't arch like this, press it down, and you're going to hold, and then you're going to switch. So a little bit of coordination here. We're going to do 12 total reps. Move nice and slow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. On the last rep, you're going to take both arms and both legs down, and you're going to hold this position for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Again, so making sure that back is nicely glued to the ground. Now we move on to the upper back. Upper back gets very stiff from a lot of sitting, a lot of hunching over the computer, the phone. So do this movement daily. Your spine is going to love you. Again, we're back into our good old squat. Going to grab, take your left hand, grab your right ankle, push the shoulder into the knee for resistance. So you want to focus on really doing that. You're going to take the opposite elbow, get as close to the ground as you can, and then twist and extend. And we're going to repeat this for 6, 2, 3. So work within your current range. 4, 5, and we're going to hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. So you can see how I'm pressing into my knee for resistance, and that almost creates an extra load because I'm not just flimsily flopping around trying to stretch. I'm actually using my body to resist and to provide more movement and kind of challenge me. So really work with that. Use your body intelligently to be able to get into the position. 5, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Moving on to the shoulders. You see, no equipment needed. I'm already feeling like my whole body is opening up. You're gonna sit into this sort of kneeling position. You can spread your legs a little bit or your knees so that you can get down. And you're gonna try to get your whole chest to the floor, and you're gonna press your hands into the floor at the same time. So sort of like you're driving yourself into the floor and keeping those arms locked. So you're gonna hold that position, and from there, you're gonna twist and rotate. Okay, so this one you're gonna feel in the lats, in the shoulders, in the chest area as well, opening up everything. 3, 4. And you're gonna feel all kinds of cracks in the spine. We love that. 5, 6, 2 more. Really press your hand into the floor, rotate. 1 more. And hold it there. And from that position, you're just going to go into this sort of swimming stroke where you're squeezing your shoulders in the back, holding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then bring them forward and rest. And finally, we move to the wrists. Wrists get neglected all the time, so we make sure that we pay attention. And now with these 8 movements, you've pretty much covered every joint in your body in a matter of 5 minutes. So you're gonna get your fingers to face you. And from that position, you're gonna peel the palm, keeping all 4 fingers on the floor. The thumbs can come off, and you try to get your elbows as close to the ground as possible. Nice big stretch in those fingers. If you type a lot, if you don't use your hands much, this is gonna be amazing. We're gonna do 5 of those. And then we're gonna hold the last rep for 10 seconds, really giving a good stretch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax, and then flip them around. So top of the palm on the floor, and give it a nice stretch. And that's it, guys. Literally 5 to 10 minutes of your time per day dedicated to your body. It's the bare minimum, and everyone can find that. So do these 8 movements daily, do them consistently, watch your range of motion improve, and you are gonna feel amazing benefits from day to day. You're gonna feel your range of motion improving, you're gonna feel better posture, you're gonna feel less tight, less restricted, and over time, you're gonna be much more free in your body. So the daily 8, do them from today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, share with a friend who needs some mobility, and I'll see you in the next video.